Hello everyone, welcome to Get My Class. So let's solve this question which says match the following, and they're given two columns here. Gene, in one column they're given gene, the other column they're given effective on. So the first one is option A, Cry1AC, option B, Cry1AB, option C, Cry2AB. Now, effective on cotton bollworm and corn boll. And they have given the options here. A as A1, B1, C2. B as A2, B1, C1. C as A2, B2, C1. D as A1, B2, C1. Now let us understand, we have to match these. So first let us take one by one. So the first one, it says Cry1AC. So what is this Cry1AC? Okay, this is small letter. So usually the genes are denoted by small letter. So Cry1AC is a gene which codes for the crystal protein. Okay, crystal protein. And which crystal protein we are talking about? We are talking about the Bt toxin. Yes, and this has been produced by a bacteria which is called as Bacillus thuringiensis. Bacillus thuringiensis. Now, Bacillus thuringiensis, there are different strains, and that's how they have different, genes which code for different type of Bt toxin. And these Bt toxins are effective against certain types of organisms or insects, I would say. Now, this Cry1A, that is AC, this is effective against cotton bollworms. Cotton bollworm. Okay, what is the function of this cry protein? The cry protein, when it is produced in bacteria, it will be in inactive form. But when it is released in the gut of the cotton bollworm or any insects, whichever it affects, it will get converted into a toxic protein. Okay, and that brings about, you can say, it destroys the gut epithelium. Okay, gut epithelium of foods. That is cotton bollworms. Not only cotton bollworms, in this case it is cotton bollworm, and this there are other insects also. If at all they ingest this bacteria or this protein, then they will die because the gut epithelial cells will be destroyed. Okay, so the first one is what? Cry1AC. It will be effective against cotton bollworm. Now the second one, this is the first one, right? Capital A. Okay. The second one, which says Cry1AB. As I told you, there are different strains of bacteria which have different type, different sequence of the gene for this particular protein. Okay. This also produces a type of Bt toxin. This will be, you can say, effective against corn borer. Corn borer. Okay. And the function is the same, but they vary with respect to the type of amino acid sequence because that depends on the gene sequence. Okay. Then option C, that is Cry2AB. This Cry2AB is also it is effective against cotton bollworm only. Cotton bollworm. See, these crystal proteins are specific towards certain type of insects. So this Cry2AB will not be able to kill this corn borer. It can be able to kill cotton bollworm only. Okay, so that's why these are specific. So Cry1AB, we didn't mention Cry1AB. It is, of course, it is specific to corn borer. Cry2AB, this is specific to one again, it is cotton borer. So let us see. Option A says A1, B1, C2, which is wrong because B is 2. Option B says A2, B1, C1, which is again wrong. A is not 2. Option C says A2, B2, C1, which is again wrong. Option D says A1, B2, C1. That is absolutely right because it matches with our explanation. So let us conclude. What is the answer here? That is option B. I hope you understood the explanation. Thank you, everyone.